This is it. This is it. We made it. Season 3, Backyard Playlist, last episode. Let's get started. Hi, guys. Welcome back. Thanks for watching. We got a lot accomplished this year. Look at that fence. Doesn't look real good? Oh, yeah. Mulch bed, wheelbarrow, movie screen, great addition. Tiki torches, nice touch. Oh, yeah. Let me walk you over here. I want to talk to you about the movie screen quickly. Nice day, not a cloud in the sky, but windy. And that wind can snap your legs and feet when it comes to the movie screen. Keep that in mind. So around late September, mid-October, take it apart or you'll have this problem. It's not worth it. Take my word for it. Trust me. You see how windy it is? Real windy. I know you guys are tired of me talking about the rose bushes. Even though they weren't the star of the show this year, they did a great job playing backup. Remember this pot? Got the begonias in them now. Oh yeah, real nice. Hibiscus? Okay. What do we have here? Holy Grail, hydrangea. I'm still learning. I'll figure it out. Don't worry about it. Trust me. Don't worry. It won't be a problem. Be patient. Give me a chance. You know what, guys? Let's end the season on a good note. Why don't we do a little light yard maintenance? I really don't have to do this. It's not like they're going to grow anymore. But there's nothing wrong with a little yard work. Let's clean up. End the season the way it began. Nothing wrong with that. Oh, yeah. Take care of your babies. Give them a little love, a little care. You'll see. Let's take care of the white plants and lilies, too. Bet you thought I forgot about them. No, I don't forget. I'll get to it eventually. Just be patient. Remember I talked to you about only putting 3 annuals in the big pots? Clean it up now. Love these lawn bags. Yeah, just 3. No more than 4. That's all you need. Anything beyond that is unnecessary. Look how big these things got. So you don't need a whole bunch of annuals in your pots. 3 at the most. That's it. Anything else is just ridiculous. But that's coming from somebody who's been doing this a couple years now, so starting to realize what works and what doesn't. Speaking of works, got the trimmer out. Oh, yeah. Don't forget the blower. Don't leave home without it, if you know what I mean. It's great. So far, so good. Hey, grass got a little greener, huh? All right. Let's wrap it up. As a reminder, if you're going to keep your grills outside, get a grill cover. Trust me. All right, what's going on over here? Looks good, nice and clean. Got the white plants and lilies in the ground. We'll see what happens next year. The fence, man, we did it. Can't believe we did it, but we did. Hard work pays off. And for a second, it didn't look like this was going to turn out the way that it did. But I'm glad I stuck with it. Don't give up on yourselves, guys. This lilac, you're gone. Holy Grail. You know, when I moved that Holy Grail, I damaged the root on it. So, hydrangea, cleaned it up. Looks a lot better. Oh, yeah, over there. We're going to make some changes. Change is good. The 2 rose bushes, they'll be over here. I'm sorry, guys. Got to make room. Yeah, I think I'll replace this fountain. Get a taller one. Hey, I bet you guys didn't realize that I painted the top of the AC. Oh, yeah. Sure did. Look at it now. Much better. You know, I plan on buying more hanging baskets. By the way, if you see stressed annuals in the store, pick them up. Take a chance on them. Season 3 was great. We got a lot done. Piece by piece, little by little. Oh, yeah. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support, the comments. Go ahead and subscribe. Really appreciate it. We don't judge here. Well, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns, too. Bye. The Whitley and Chill Season 3 Backyard Playlist is dedicated to my old man. May he rest in peace. Know he's watching. Hope he's proud. You know, he used to always tell me, you need to learn this stuff instead of paying somebody to do it for you. Now I get it. I understand. Back then you take things for granted, but now realize your loved ones, your parents, they just want what's best for you. So yeah, miss them, love them, thankful for everything, grateful for everything. Really am. Thank you.